And speaking of talented Bacoreños, marami din tayong talented Bacoreños kung saan sila yung nasa likod ng mga trending and hit songs na naririnig natin. And up next nga is our performer na isang singer-songwriter, recording artist, and voice coach. He is best known as a grand finalist from ABS-CBN's Himig Handog P-Pop Love Song 2013 with his song composition, Pwede Bang Ako Na Lang Ulit? A Himig Handog Hall of Fame hit interpreted by Bugoy Drilon. He also wrote all the original songs in V4's album, The Love Band Project, released in 2012 under Viva Records. Led by their #1 single, Princesa, he has written 4 #1s and 7 top 10 OPM hits, and his songs have charted on major music countdowns nationwide. To date, his song compositions have been streamed over 120 million times across all uploads on all major digital and social media platforms worldwide. Please welcome, kasama po natin ngayong gabi, Mr. Jeff Cifra!
Hey! 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 Ay, shucks, dulo pala yan. O siya, simulan natin ito. Lahat ng in love, magpalakpakan na may kasamang hiyawan! Kay Get. Ipagpatawad mo aking kapangasan. Iniibig ko, sana'y maintindihan. Alam kong kailan lang tayo nagkatagpo. Ngunit parang sa inyo, ayaw kong lumayo. Ipagpatawad niyo, ako may naguguluhan. Bacoor, what's the next line? You know this joint. May nag-chorus agad, ah. Na ako'y pagtakhan. Di na dapat. So good. Ako pagtiwalaan. Alam kong kailan lang tayo nagkatagpo. Ngunit parang sa inyo ayaw nang lumayo. Ipagpatawad niyo, minahal kayo agad. Bacoor! In 3, 2, 1, sing! Better than me, come on! Woo! Woo! Pagpatawad mo. Oh! Kay tagal-tagal, sana naman ipagpatawad mo ang malabis na kabilisan ka. Ngunit ang lahat ng ito'y totoo. Everybody sing for me, come on! So good. Woo! Minahal kayo agad. minahal kayo agad. Maraming salamat po. Muli po ako po si Jeff Cifra. Ako po isang mga awit at manunulat. Bago natin ipagpatuloy ang ating awitin, magpasalamat po muna tayo of course sa mga tao